Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are learning about passage number 4. This passage is taken from Surah Shura, Surah number 42, and the verses are verse number 4 and 5. It says, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Lahu ma fis samawati wa ma fil ard wa huwal aliyyul azim. تكاد السماوات يتفطرن من فوقهن والملائكة يسبحون بحمد ربهم ويستغفرون لمن في الأرض ألا إن الله هو الغفور الرحيم صدق الله العظيم. To him belongs all that is in the heavens and on earth, and he is most high, most great. The heavens are almost rent asunder from above them, and the angels celebrate the praises of their Lord and pray for forgiveness for beings on earth. Behold, verily Allah is He, the oft forgiving, the most merciful. Dear students, this is the verse of Sajda, so please prostrate after performing wudu, and this is compulsory. What is the main theme of this passage? These two verses have been taken from Surah Ash-Shura, which is a Makki surah. The main theme of this passage is Allah in Himself. Allah is the creator and master of the universe. He enjoys unshared authority over the entire universe. The theme of this passage is supported by many of the other verses of the Holy Quran. As Allah said, His are all things in the heavens and in the earth. Allah's greatness is evident by the fact that the heavens are bent and on the brink of falling due to the weight of His majestic being. This theme highlights His attributes of forgiveness also. He wishes the mankind to be forgiven. This negates the false concepts of some non-believers who consider God as harsh upon them. So what is the importance of this theme in a Muslim's life? Students, the theme of this passage strengthens the belief of Muslims in Tawheed. Tawheed means the unity and oneness of Allah Almighty. It supports Muslims' belief in angels as well. This theme tells Muslims about Allah's power, authority, and glory. It makes them obedient and submissive to Allah by referring to the angels, praising Allah and seeking forgiveness for the humans. It tells them about Allah's mercy and love. Humans enjoy the free will but are vulnerable to Satan. Satan in Urdu and Arabic is called Shaitan. So it is very much possible for them to commit sins. But Allah is always ready to forgive them. Belief in Allah's mercy and forgiveness prepares the Muslims to repent over their misdeeds. So this was our today's lecture. And dear students, please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe this channel.